What's going on, guys? It's Drangus here, and don't forget, like, subscribe, bells, all the stuff. Alright, so as I talked about in one of the last videos about how I love adventure bikes, but didn't like to spend the big bucks to get the big fancy adventure bikes, this video series is going to be about turning a Tiger XR 1200 into an XCA 1200. It's quite a big cost difference in between the two, so I'm going to see how I can do it cheaper and potentially even better. So stick around if you want to find out more about that, and let's get to work. Okay guys, so first we're going to take off this plastic old belly pan, and just so you can kind of see what's going on down here. There's like a lot of bolts, but it looks like only 4 have to come out. 1, 2, and then the other 2 on the other side. Okay, for the next step, there's not really instructions in this, but you have these brackets here. They're a little different than the plastic ones, and you got your pan. So you're going to want to get this orientation right, as you can see, to where it lines up straight. So we're actually going to put these in the pan before we pop it up inside the position. Alright guys, well look at that. Much more modern look. Way better than that plastic crap. And I got this for about 50 bucks on eBay. So I call it a heck of a deal. Really updates the look.